recommend you, Aradhya, every single day you must watch video, conversational video, because where you are going to learn how the people are putting efforts in order to become good into this language. Okay, you are going to learn the manner of others, right? So listening is very important. You must listen a lot.
Yes,
And
sir.
I think today is enough. Yeah. Hello. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I'm fine, sir. What's about you?
Yeah, I'm so happy, and because today I connect with you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How's your morning today?
Today I wake up early in the morning because
Hmm.
tomorrow my exams were over and went for tuition. And after eating breakfast, I'm just enjoying and practicing English.
Okay. So we are meeting first time, so I would like to know about you a little bit. So can you give me your introduction?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my name is Aradhya Naik and I am from Odisha, the state of Odisha. And currently I am living in the capital city of Odisha, Bhubaneswar. And
Hmm.
I was born in the district of Bargar, but I uh, I educated in means I joined my school in Bhubaneswar due to my
Hmm.
father's job. And my hobbies are to play volleyball and read books. And currently I am a seventh standard student.
Oh, even a standard student. Oh my God. And you speak really tremendously. Incredible, I would say. So how did you learn this a beautiful language from your father or from your school?
Sir, actually, my parents are not that fluent in English, but they wanted that I should learn this language, this beautiful language. And if I talk about from where did I learn this language, actually, I study in English medium school. So from beginning, from kindergarten, I have been studying English. That's why English subject has made a habit for me that I read, write, and in class fifth I used to go tuition for this language. And now uh, I'm practicing English with in this application with different people.
Wow. Really, Aradhya, I would say you speak really very nice. And you really improved a lot because I can see you have great confidence level. I usually am not having from beginner side, but you really develop your confidence level up to the mark, I would say.
Thank
So
you.
Aradhya, tell me about your daily routine. What do you do?
So I'm a school student. So most of the time I just study due to my academics. So in the morning I woke up and went for tuition for studies. Then my school is second shift school, so I started getting ready from 10 a.m. of the morning. Then at 11 p.m. my school bus come. Then I goes for school. For my school is from 12 p.m. afternoon 12 p.m. to till evening 6 p.m. There I study different languages and subjects. And also we have sports classes. And then in 7 p.m., around 7 p.m. I returned home. Then I go went for another SST tuition. Then
Oh,
all the pending works, homeworks that are given by my given from school, I do that and practice some other language. And uh, talk with peoples in this application and all that.
wow. Really wonderful, really, because you have done your daily routine, your all task in a really great way, I would say, and you are quite determined towards your responsibility of life and goals and studies, all these things. Really, I really appreciate you. And as well as you are learning this language, you are going to connect with the stranger over this application. It's not a very easy task for anyone because connecting with a stranger, you have to prepare, before. You have to prepare yourself. What type of questions have you gotten through the other sides, you have to give the relevant answer as well, right? So many obstacles you can face during conversation with the new people. But even though you deal with such a situations in their early age, it's a very commendable job, I would say. Yeah. So tell me, how about your family? How many siblings do you have? Tell me.
Sir, in Bhubaneswar, I live with a nuclear family, a family made of four members. So I live with my father, mother, and my father is a police man. He works for the state government, and my
Wow.
mom is a homemaker, and I have a younger sister who study in class second.
Mm-hmm.
So they are all my family members.
Wow. Very nice family, I would say, Aradhya. And yeah, I would say like everything is fantastic, and you are really good into this language. So Aradhya, I would like to know, do you like traveling?
Yes, sir.
Do you like traveling? Traveling, I mean, visiting different places. Do you like?
Yeah. Sir, I like traveling too much, but means now I am very means my age is very young, so I have traveled very less. But if I talk about my state, I have means traveled many places, and due to my father transfer, I have means see my state, its beauty, and in future when I get a job, I will like to explore the various diverse place of our country and also other countries.
Wow, really amazing. So Aradhya, what is your future goal? What do you want to become in your future?
Sir, means my family member wants that I should become a doctor and help people, and also I have a goal to become doctor. But I am more interested with business studies and all that fashion designing.
Wow. Yeah, I think business and fashion. What are designing? What did you say? Fashion design.
Fashion designing.
Yeah, fashion design. Yeah, it's also, I think, incredible work, I would say, because we can say this is the art, and each and every people do not know the art of, fashion designing any kinds of things, right? And
Yes,
I
sir.
would say like what you have desire, you must follow. Okay, what people says, it doesn't matter, but you try to complete each member of your family member. You try to complete the desire of all of them as well. But you must follow your passion as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Aradhya, do your father knows about you, like you have been attending session with the new people over this application?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many conversation have you been attended till this time?
Sir, means it has been 1 month of joining this application.
Hmm.
And I have talked around 20-30 people now.
Wow. That's why you have a great experience of this language, and you speak much better, more than others, I would say, because I talk to many old person into this group, but I got lackness only in
Yes.
all of them, confidence level. Okay, but you have
Yes.
really great confidence level. You have a really great performance into this language. You're being able to convey your each and every opinions over any matter. So it's really totally incredible, I would say. So
Uh,
Aradhya, do you have any question for asking me?
sir, just now I have introduced yourself and we are meeting first time, but I have introduced and I want to know about you.
Okay, sure, Aditya. So actually, this is Chandan Lahiri, and I live in Bihar state, and I'm working as a teacher in a primary school. And if I discuss about my hobbies, so I love to talk to new people and learning new skills and traveling different places. Yeah, that's all about me.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
as you said, you belong from Bihar, and from which district you belong from Bihar?
Yeah, Samastipur district know about? Do you know about Samastipur district?
No, sir, I
Samastipur.
have not heard about it uh,
Do
because
you know
I have.
about capital, Patna capital? Do you know?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
there my maternal grandfather lived there, and my
Oh,
mother had lived there for few years.
wow. That's really great. So Patna, you can say nearest. I live nearest to the Patna, and Patna is the capital of Bihar. You know very well. So you can
Yes,
say,
sir.
yeah. And if you do not know about Samastipur district, so you can Google out. You can get so many
Yes, sir.
information. Samastipur district, it's a huge market where you can expect anything. So in many products and a lot of retailing products you can receive there for running your shops, your business. Okay.
Mhm.
So Aradhya, tell me about like apart from attending sessions with the stranger, what do you do at your home to in order to become fluent into this language? Tell me a little bit.
Yes, sir. Sir, in this application, when I ask people that how could I means improve my talking skills, so they advise me to read, write, and speak and listen this language. So I try to do this as much possible. So I read this language from any book, like story books and my academic book that school has given us, and also means try to learn new vocabs from my book, and means I listen to some English cartoon, you could say. That's
Okay, yeah. Yeah, you are doing well, I would say. Like listening, it's a really great work of yours to improving your language as well. Listening and watching, it's a very imperative because if you watch something, that is mean you are going to you know having that content, that kinds of content inside of you. What we see, it's going to exist in our subconsciousness, right? And it comes within the situationally, you know very well, right? So watching is very imperative for the every individuals in order to become this good into this language. And as well as watching, reading also, it's very mandatory for everyone, because if you read, if you have been through the reading ways, we are going to have different vocabulary, right? That is more important to create any sentence. So these are things,
yes.
it's very important, and you have already been doing this thing. So do not give up, I would say. Okay,
Thank you.
keep doing. So Aradhya, I have one question. So are you learning this language? So do you use this language with your parent at your house?
Sir, actually, my parents are not that fluent and could not understand English like that much, but they support me to learn this language, and also my younger sister to learn this language. Even though I share some sentences and some thoughts with them in English, but like I'm conversing with you, like that conversation I can't have with them.
Oh, very nice. Because I would like to advise you, Aradhya, you are learning this language, so you must use this language in your daily life as well. Okay, like you have
Yes.
to use a very normal sentence like good morning, good afternoon, like that. Okay, and these kinds of sentence we use, so it's going to become habit of yours. Okay, and having habit in your daily life, it will really profound overall your personalities. You are going to learn this language, and it will really help you to become fluent very soon. Okay, so you
Yes,
must inculcate habit of using these sentences, these kinds of language in your daily life. It's very important.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir. Sir, my school is an English medium school, so there, if I could not connect with my parents in English, I try to connect with my subject teachers in English. But my some of my friends are not that good in English, so can't have that good conversation with them. But I try to connect with my teachers in English.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't matter which one is perfect in English or not in your place. But whenever you get any person is sufficient into this language, and that people can talk to you into this language, so you must talk to them. You must interact every single day. Okay. So that's the way you can maintain your consistency, and you're going to learn as faster as you can. Okay. So Aradhya, do you have any question for asking me?
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to know about your experience of learning this language.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I would say, Aradhya, like I have experience of 2 years of this language because I have been working upon this language for 2 years. Okay, and I suffered a lot in order to become little bit, good into this language. I did a lot of experiment on my journey, and I did a lot of things. What I say, like I read a lot of story books. I read a lot of novels books, right? And I listen a lot, so many speeches over the social media, right? I
Yes,
talked with the many varieties of people, you can say several kinds of people. I had conversations, audio conversation, video conversation, okay, a lot of things I did. And that's why still I'm little bit able to speak with any person in this,
yes, sir.
because I live in village now, and I
Yes,
also do not have any environment like you
yes,
and others.
yes.
So Aradhya, have you been watching my video? Do you know about my channel?
Yes, sir. In this means this group, you post some video, so I have seen your videos, and that that's why I means connect your call.
Oh, thank you so much. And I would like to, right?
Republic Day. Yes, sir.
Yeah, did you celebrate Republic Day? I forget to ask you.
Yes, sir. I was going to wish you, but I for some inconvenience I could not go to my school. Uh, but there was a lot of celebration. I missed that, and here many people are celebrating Republic Day.
Wow. Yeah, today is very special day for every students and every individual's life, and that's why you can
Yes,
see
sir.
I am at the stadium now. You can see, right?
Yes, sir.
So here also the Republic Day has been done before, and I come to this stadium. I thought I just stay there. Little bit time I spent over this application. That's why I call you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Aradhya. So I think today is enough, and we again connect in future.
We'll again try to connect.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And
Yeah.
Aradhya, one thing I would like to ask you, like I want to give your permission, get your permission. Like, can I upload this video over my channel, if you don't mind?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And please give me one photo of yours, so I will make thumbnail banner.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, if you post that video, please send that link to me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure, sure. Of course. I will post. First of all, I will send you.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
Aradhya. So keep learning and do not give up. You are speaking very good, and I can say you become soon very fluent into this language. Really.